Hey everybody, it's Eric,
And I'm Carla.
Phenomenal Finds ATL, and we're going to show you what's sold over the past couple of days. All right, so first we've got Seth Rollins. I think we just sold one of these the other day, but he sold for $10. Next we've got Shawn Michaels, and he sold for $13.50. Next we've got this Kentucky Wildcats. It's a vintage sweatshirt, and it sold for $19.50. Next, we've got Sally from Peanuts, and she sold for $26.99. Next, we've got this Howitzer gunwear shirt. It says "Suns Out, Guns Out," and it sold for $8. Next is this Revere Wear 14, or it's a 4-quart pot, and it sold for $17.99. Next is this E40 CD, the Hall of Game, and it sold for $7.99. Next is this Eeyore V-neck button shirt, and it sold for $9. Next is the Miz, and he sold for $4.50. Then we've got this Texaco Haviland Racing die-cast train set, and it sold for $13.50. Here we've got some Nesquik sleepwear lounge pants, and they sold for $10. This bag has some strawberry salt and pepper shakers, and they sold for $9.
Chester.
This is a Winchester long sleeve shooting shirt, and it sold for $15. Next, we've got this giant lot of human body parts, and it's a mix of Mattel and Jakks. I think they're mostly Mattel body parts, but so you can make your own wrestlers, but it sold for $14. Next, we have the last bit of these string lights that we bought, and this one sold for $22.49. Next is this John Cena figure, and he sold for $13.50. Next is this Black Sabbath CD, and it sold for $29.29. Here we've got Michael Myers figure. I think this is a McFarlane figure, and it's NECA it says, but he sold for $35, and Carla picked him up for $1. Lastly, we've got these vintage Pokemon stickers, and they are from 1999, and they sold for $6. All right, so that's everything that's sold. 19 items getting packaged up and shipped out right before Christmas here. I think we'll have another shipment, maybe. Is the post office open on Christmas Eve?
I don't know.
All right, whatever. But anyway, go over to phenomenalfindsatl.com, and you're going to find the links to our eBay store, our YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Remember to like, follow, and subscribe.